Here's viral app Dupe.com AI deal finder. So get the world's most viral money-saving shopping app featured on the Today Show. See something you love but not the price tag. Dupe helps you find the same or similar items for way less, sometimes up to 90% off. Dupe makes it easy. It searches the internet for more affordable version of the thing you actually want, so you can stop overpaying. Instantly find cheaper versions of your favorite furniture and fashion. Discover affordable alternatives. Search by image, link, or keyword. Get early access to exclusive giveaways. So yeah, just the app to save you some money. And untap lowers every price. Unlock hidden deals. Kind of like the app's like Price Runner, but it just has AI in it, so probably it's a bit more advanced. And it's so for example, you have this product, and then what it does is, so it's not exactly like Price Runner, where for example you found like specific product, specific chair, and like you just want it to have a bit cheaper. This app just finds for example, you have a sofa, and it finds sofa which looks super similar. It's not the same model of the sofa, but it's super similar and it's much cheaper. It's kind of, people can't really distinguish unless they, like super precise. And it just uses AI to find it with images and so on. There's a Safari extension, share Dupe, earn points. So here you can just invite friends. So here is my invite code. Just start using Dupe, so it helps you find the best deals online for any literally you want. So you can just use my code in here. So yes, that's just what you have. So feel free to use my code and get 150 points. And then try this. So there is, for example, this kind of expensive sofa. Shop, and then you can find top picks which are kind of looking super similar to that. As you can see, again, these are different models, as I understand. Some of them are the same sofa, but some of them are like literally you can find exactly same looking sofa from Alibaba for literally 10 times cheaper, like 10 times cheaper. And yeah, like your friends visiting your house probably won't even notice. So you decide like whether you want to overpay for some super branded expensive thing or not. So here you can also have Dupe, and then there's an invite code, and then you can just claim these coins. You can claim the coins, and then then probably you can then just cash out as well. Minimum cash out is 1,000 points. And that's basically the idea. So that's what it is.